Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Hug to World, and today we got the watch face of the week, and this one here is by SMZ. The name of the watch face is called King. They have it in 12 and 24 hours. This one here is in always on mode. You're pretty much going to get the same look on, but it's just going to be lit up a little bit. Now, when the watch face is turned on, you got a little color on the time. Up at the top, you're going to get your day and your date. You're also going to get where you can hit the weather. And if I tap right here, I can go and get my music. I thought that was pretty slick, right? Got my music. I mean, it's real tiny, but you can still tap on it. You got messages you can tap into, phone call, and you get all your step status, whether it be floors climb, heart rate, your calories burned, your step info. I'm at 26,000. And it lets you know how much of your goal you have completed. As you can see, I completed 134. I'm doing really, really good. You also get animated seconds along with your battery percentage, which as you can see, I'm always on low cell, right? But if you double tap on the time, you can customize the color a little bit. Has several you can go through to change. I mean, I like them all. Just keep tapping till you get to the one you like the most and let it stay. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Now, this watch face is free for a limited time offer. So soon as you get through this video, go and download right away. Do not waste any time. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.